Alright guys, I would like to do a follow-up video now on our quizzes. What we're doing with our Quizizz assignments. So, what you're going to have to do is you go to Quizizz.com. So, we're going to open that up here. So, here you're going to have to create an account. I already have an account. But, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Join a Game. And remember that 6-digit code I gave you? We're going to just type that in. So we're going to go 948511. And again, right here, your screen might look a little different than mine just because I am on teacher mode, so I can create my own quizzes. But right here, all you guys have to do is join a quiz. So we're going to go back to that one I had up. Type in that 6-digit code, 948511. We go to join. I've already started a game, but let's just go to resume game. It's going to look like this. 5, 2, 3, 2, 1, go. And then you're going to have to calculate the mean, which you guys should know how to do. So, again, all you're going to do is go to Quizizz.com, put in that code, and then we're going to be good to go.